Welcome to the kitchen. Get ready, let's go. It's Cooking with Jack. Put on a tasty show.
Hey guys, okay, so basically, after the video went live, a lot of people wrote, hey, can you do a side-by-side comparison of the air fryer? It's called Turbo Blaze, so it should be faster than this one. So we're gonna do two things today. One, we're gonna heat up some, what do we got? Hot Pockets or something. Side by side, see how they do. And then two, we're gonna do the promised air fryer nachos. So you're getting 2 for 1 in this video. Get ready. They said like 12 to 15 minutes, so we're gonna do 360 at 13 minutes. Let's pause that a minute. Get this one over here. Just to let you guys know, while the Hot Pockets are cooking, I got the square extra large that'll fit in the 6-quart air fryer. So we are ready for nachos when we're done with the Hot Pockets. Okay guys, so that's Turbo Blaze. I stuck it with a fork, felt like it was done. A little bit of a crunch as it went in. And then you look over here, this is the other brand we're testing it against. They look almost identical. They felt the same with the fork. So let's let them cool and we'll try them out. Let's use the knife. We'll do on this one too. Oh, they're both hot. That's hot. This one's hot because I felt it. Oh no, it's not quite as hot. Cheese looks melty. They kind of look identical inside. This is the Kasori Turbo Blaze. This is the other brand. Give it a try. Well, to be totally honest, they are identical. Literally. Temperature, crunch, flavor, everything. Same amount. 360, 13 minutes from frozen. Alright guys, so we're going to start with chips, of course, because they're nachos. These are, they love these chips. They're like kettle tortilla chips. They're really crispy. I'll lay that out. Gosh, I don't know if I put too much. I may put too much on. Put that over there. Give me a lot. Hold on. Take a little bit of the meat. By the way, you guys are really weird about me washing my hands. Even if I say wash your hands. So, you guys always complain, you didn't wash your hands. I don't film me washing my hands. So I'm not going to say wash hands anymore. I'm done with that. You guys literally think I don't wash my hands. Okay. We have a bunch of leftover cheese. Here's some black beans. Little bit of olives. Top it off with a little more cheese. There we go. Okay. All right, let's get that in the air fryer and cook it up. Okay, into the air fryer goes. Wow, that's thick nachos. That's gotta be like nachos for two, seriously. That's crazy. Went together real quick. Let's check it out. So we're gonna do 360 degrees for 5 minutes. All right, wow, that was quick. Timer just went off. Let's take a look. Oh, wow. They look perfect. Look at that. All right, let me get them on a plate real quick. All right, this kitchen's a disaster. I got plates, I got dirty dishes, I got ingredients all over the place. Let's give this a try. Come on. Come on. Here we go. Doesn't come out good. But it's just like an oven. I mean, wow. Haven't had nachos in a while. Try it out, guys. Air fryer nachos. That's how you do it. Thanks again, Kusori, for sending the turbo blaze.